बाद में जो वन विभाग
Sushil Chandra ji, Honorable Election Commissioner. Am I audible? Rajiv Kumar ji, Honorable Election Commissioner. Secretary General of Election Commission of India, who despite the fact that his son got married 3-4 days back, joined the very next day. Congratulations to him for that. And rejoined the office the very next day and with his colleagues has been working on this issue. Dharmendra ji, Sudeep Jain, Chandrabhushan Kumar and Shefali ji and all the friends from print, electronic, social, digital, whatever form of media. We are meeting again today after, I think, our Bihar press conference, and today it is for sharing the details of elections to state assembly elections to Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Puducherry, Union Territory of Puducherry. My only request is that after I finish, Shefali ji will take the floor. As always, if we all kind of raise our hand, identify ourselves and ask questions one by one, we'll all be able to hear the replies and there will be no disturbance. We always got this cooperation from you and I solicit the same this time also. Normally the onset of a new year symbolizes hope, cheer and happiness. 2021 has ushered in something more valuable, post-COVID, resilience, solidarity and a sense of global community. Amid the challenges of COVID, please switch off the mobile if possible. Amid the challenges of keep them on silent. Amid the challenges of COVID-19 that we still continue to face, we shall find immense comfort in the stories of hope and see value in the positive and encouraging lessons that are emerging in the post-COVID world. This period of unprecedented health crisis will also be remembered for the innumerable acts of courage, compassion, selflessness by the so-called ordinary people doing most extraordinary acts. I hope you will allow me, but our individual and collective tributes to the COVID warriors and heroes, doctors, paramedic staff, nurses, researchers, scientists, and last but not the least, from ECI point of view, all our officials on the election duty who are located in the front line right up to the polling station level and trying to kind of see the process through. With keeping all this in mind, we have kept the leitmotif and theme of National Voters Day 2021, making our voters safe, empowered, informed and vigilant. Last year, when the entire world was confronted with an unprecedented crisis in the form of COVID-19, a whole lot of election management bodies across the democracies were faced with a tough predicament of how to balance the democratic rights of citizens to choose their representatives while also preserving and protecting the health and safety of the people. Many countries hazarded to venture and took the courageous route in spite of these circumstances to venture and took courageous decision to go ahead with the elections with some adjustments in the election schedules and other precautions. In the thick of this pandemic, ECI started the kind of test trials with election to 18 seats of Rajya Sabha on June 19, 2020. Admittedly, the electoral college is very limited, but that was a kind of way of starting the process. But after that, and some legislative council elections, came the challenge of Bihar. With 7.3 crore electorate of Bihar, it was indeed a watershed moment for ECI. It proved to be a kind of litmus test. We have been going under litmus tests before, but this was quite different. And I am glad to report to you that the electorate of Bihar reposed their confidence in the extensive sanitization and health safety measures put in place at polling stations. I would be failing in my duty if I don't tell you that many of our collectors, they suffered from COVID in Bihar, rejoined their duties and saw the process through. One divisional commissioner had this problem. She was still manning 2 divisions. One IG, unfortunately, he passed away due to COVID and other comorbidities. We requested his wife and of COVID, who is sitting on this side so you can see him. I would request the CEO of Bihar to just stand up and be counted. They are the people who really put in day in and day out to carry the entire process through. In fact, you will be glad to know, and you must be already aware, that voter turnout in assembly elections in Bihar 2020, 57.34%, exceeded both the previous assembly election of 2015 as well as Lok Sabha elections 2019. And I would like also to report to you that women voters turned out in very large numbers, 59.69%. Even while the ECI was grappling with the Bihar election, a core team of dedicated officers led by Shri Umesh Sinha was already working on these 5 elections for which we are in front of you today. Actually, they have a system of series of meetings with the officials of Home Ministry regarding the availability of forces, officials of Railway regarding the coaches which are required for transportation of